Hi there again, it's Scott with Mr. Water. Today is February 12th, 2024, and I am in Fairfield, Pennsylvania, and I just installed a 48,000 grain electronic demand water softener for a customer with optional 20-inch Big Blue. There's a carbon filter there and the sediment filter there. They've got some iron in the water and, hard water, nothing major. He just opted to get the larger filters so he didn't have to change them as often. And, it's going to be easy for him to take care of. And I also, as I always do, install a tank with the dome hole. So there's the plug. In case he develops sulfur smell in the future, I could easily retrofit the system with the micronizer and the vent, and then he would have the patented water softener with closed pressure aeration. So that's something that is available to all my customers that get water softeners. So again, it's Scott with Mr. Water, and another successful installation. It turned out really good, and I will see you in the next video.